Always a good time out there. And I had a good time earlier today speaking with the 6th graders at St. Pius X School. Talked about what we do as meteorologists and talked a little bit about severe weather and the types of severe weather. Move outs, all the kids get their time to shine. I told them I would show them at 5 and 6 o'clock. So there you go. Had a good time there. We talked about severe weather and my time when I worked up in Topeka, Kansas, and the severe weather that we got. It's all past Topeka, but boy, from basically Chicago across northern Iowa all the way down to south of Dallas is that cold front. Now for us, we will see that same front arrive tomorrow. No severe weather expected here. In fact, as the models show, maybe very little rainfall during the morning hours of Saturday as that front arrives. Pushes through, we do get into some slightly milder and drier air, but notice even this model brings in a few passing showers even for Palm Sunday. So looks like with that front still in the vicinity, might have a few isolated showers around for both Saturday and Sunday. Not a washout this weekend. Any outdoor plans? Mostly cloudy skies. We've been under overcast or mostly cloudy skies all day today. 78 is our current temperature with a dew point of 71. Very humid air. Our high was able to get up to 80 degrees, and really what kind of suppressed those temperatures is the fact that we did stay under mostly cloudy skies all afternoon. Upper 70s and low 80s now, and with dew points in the upper 60s and low 70s. They're not going to be coming down overnight tonight. That's about where our temperatures will drop during the early morning hours. Then as we start to get into the later part of the afternoon tomorrow, that's when we'll start to feel that drier air moving in. So the second half of the day Saturday, we should start to feel that better feel air moving in. Strong winds out of the south right now. They will be changing direction tomorrow once our front arrives. And again, the severe weather that we have been watching break out across parts of the deep south, the plains, and moving into the Midwest is all associated with that vigorous upper level low where we saw a very rare high risk, a level 5 threat for severe weather. And as I said, unfortunately, that forecast has verified with the outbreak of storms from Iowa into Missouri, moving into Illinois. And we've already seen being reported in the Little Rock, Central Arkansas, that line will be moving into then Tennessee and up into northern Mississippi, where we are expecting more severe weather there. This again is all along the frontal boundary that has developed from this upper level low. Main energy is staying away from us. Might be enough to help push our front on through, but that would be about it. A few isolated showers along that boundary would be about all the rainfall that we are expecting. Now we could see another chance of rain late Sunday into early Monday, especially to our north, with a very weak little upper disturbance. At the moment, the Weather Prediction Center is placing the North Shore for that time frame, late Sunday into Monday, under a very low end threat for some localized street flooding. I don't think we're going to see a great deal of rain coverage, but the idea there that we could see some isolated downpours that does lead to a little bit of minor street flooding. Now, as we head in further into next week, we stay warm, we stay humid, but the upper pattern is going to start favoring more rain chances. These little upper disturbances will likely keep our rain chances on the higher side as we head further into the mid to end of next week. As far as this weekend goes, again, we're starting off warm and humid. The second half of the day Saturday, that drier air moves in. Very nice for Palm Sunday. Then the warm up begins in earnest by Monday.